Wednesday, 26th of August 2020. And this time is for language art. Here, we're going to learn middle sound A and E. Are you ready, friends? Let's start now. What picture is this? This is bat. B A T. Bat. Bat. The middle sound is A. Bat. Next, cap. A P. Cap. 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 The middle sound is A. Next, can. An. Can. The middle sound is A. Lip. L E P. Lip. Lip. The middle sound is E. Zip. Z E P. Zip. Zip. The middle sound is E. What is this? Week. W E G. Week. 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 The middle sound is E. Do you understand, friends? Okay, let's go to the worksheet. Okay, friends, it's time to do your worksheet. Don't forget to write your name and then write the date. And the instruction is write the middle sound A or E. The first picture is, what is this? Bat. Good. What is the middle sound of bat? Bat. Bat. A or E? Yes, the middle sound is A. The second picture is cap. 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 What is the middle sound? A or E? Yes, the middle sound is A. Cap. The third picture is leap. Leap. What is the middle sound? Yes, E. Fourth, this is canned. And the middle sound is good. The fifth, what is this? Zip. Zip. What is the middle sound? E. Good job. E. The last picture is, what is this? Week. Eek. What is the middle sound? Yes, that is E. Okay, it's done. Thank you, friends, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.